Hello YouTube friends. Today we have a DIY for you, and I'm gonna be replacing the chuck on my Milwaukee drill, and it's something that I've replaced before because the original one that came with it pretty much went bust. I've gotten a cheap Chinese one here that I'm going to be using and testing it out and see how that works out. So let's get to it. These are the tools that I'm pretty much going to be using for it. That's going to be an Allen wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just a regular hammer. Okay, so the first thing on this, let's see, it is the, let's see if we can get the model number in there. It is the 20, I can't even see it myself. It's the model 2607. Don't know if you can see it there, but yeah. And let's see, let's get to it. I know that I've replaced this before, so the bolt that's in there, or the screw that's in there, is reverse threaded, and it's not hard to get it out. From the original one, I think that one was a little hard, but this one, I don't put any kind of a thread locker on there or anything, so just to make it easier. And since it's reverse thread, it looks like I'm screwing it on, but it's actually coming out. Let's see. There we go. Now, in order to take the chuck off, what I do is, let's see, just put the Allen wrench in there and kind of lock it in place as much as you can. I don't have the keyway or the key for this, so let's see if we can lock it up by hands a little, at least enough. There we go. And get it like that. And then what you do is just give it a couple of taps. Yeah, one tap. Cool. And then you can unscrew it. It's pretty easy to do. And then we can keep that. We'll put that in there. And then we've got the new one on there. And that one's just regular thread for the chuck. The chuck, just your regular threading, which is clockwise. Now we do the same with this. Let's see. Lock that in, and just tap it to the clockwise position, and that's pretty much it. And we can unlock that. Now we can put in our screw. Open it up all the way. Throw in our screw in there. And then we're going to see if we can do this without looking. Let's see if we can go that way. And this one's counterclockwise in order to tighten. That's better. Let's just tighten it a bit. And that's pretty much all I do. I mean, I don't use these too hard. Well, I kind of do, but never had a problem with them. With these. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Alrighty guys, like always, just give me a like if you're able to, and subscribe. Thanks.